Hello my friends! Easy beginner vocabulary about the justice system. Little bit of legal French coming up. Hello my friends, my name is Claire and I am here to teach you French with a smile. Alright, let's start. So, a lawyer is un avocat, masculine, une avocate, féminine, a lawyer. Encore une fois, once again, un avocat, une avocate. Now it's your turn to speak along with me, my friend, together, ensemble. Un avocat, une avocate. Excellent. Now in French, we have two words to say a judge. Un juge, une juge. So once again, masculine, feminine. Un magistrat, une magistrate, a judge. Encore une fois, un juge, une juge. Un magistrat, une magistrate. Very good. Now together. Ensemble. Un juge, une juge. Un magistrat, une magistrate. Excellent. And to say a court, once again, we have two words in French. Un tribunal or une cour de justice, a court. Un tribunal, une cour de justice. Ensemble, say it with me, my friend. Un tribunal, une cour de justice. Excellent. And when we talk about the legal system in general, it is la justice. This is feminine. La justice, the justice system. Encore une fois, la justice. Very good. Ensemble, la justice. Excellent work. Another feminine term. Une affaire, a case. Encore une fois, une affaire. Ensemble, une affaire. Excellent, my friend. The last one is to talk about legal proceedings. Une procédure judiciaire, legal proceedings. Encore une fois, une procédure judiciaire. Ensemble, une procédure judiciaire. Yes, you did it! Very good job. It was easy, wasn't it? So practice, practice, practice. You know, this is the magical word when you want to be fluent in any language. If you want one-to-one lessons with me, the link is below. I am on Preply and I see you very soon on French with a Smile. Bye-bye. And go over to frenchwithasmile.net for the free slides. All right? See you soon. Bye.